Alcoholism is a serious disease, and when you mix it with a rocky marriage, it can become what either ruins your marriage and lives, or if you happen to stick together and work through it, it will make you stronger. There are, on an average, about 40 to 50 divorces a year caused by alcoholism. There are surprisingly many people who suffer from alcoholism, and sadly, it starts at a really young age. There are five forms of alcoholism. First form is the young adult subtype, which is the largest group and accounts for about 32% of U.S. alcoholics. This type consists of young adults who tend to be in their early 20s and drink less, but binge drink quite often. The second is the young antisocial subtype. The third form is a functional subtype. The fourth form of alcoholism is an intermediate familial subtype. And lastly, the chronic served subtype. This is the rarest of them all and only accounts for about 9% of alcoholics in the U.S. This form of alcoholism, for the most part, consists mainly of men, um, and involves illicit drugs and has the highest divorce rate among the other subtypes of alcoholism. There are a few signs to look out for. A perfect example would be what the high functioning alcoholic tends to do, which is concealing their alcoholism from family and friends and stashing their alcohol beverages around the house, cupboards, under the bed, closet, things like that. So if you happen to find any type of alcoholic beverages stashed around the house, that's a clear sign that there's something to be concerned about. The first step to recovering and getting help is actually admitting that you have a problem, and of course, taking the first step and actually going out and getting help for it. There are counseling facilities that you can go to. They have group counseling, they have one-on-one counseling, they have marriage counseling, they have different types of counseling. The most important thing is to do your research and find what type of counseling suits your needs the best. That way you can be sure to follow through with your counseling and get the help you need and recover. I hope this gave you a lot of information, and thank you.